Hi everyone. Today we are going to go over the lesson that I did live. You're going to go into your classroom, click on your classwork, scroll down to Decimal Review, and you're going to go here where it says Export, Kami Export. This will bring up your Google slide and you open with Kami. This is a decimal review. And what we did was we went over how to fill out this chart. You have to find the pattern in each row and fill in the missing numbers. So here you can see we're counting 17 hundredths, 27 hundredths. So the next one would be 37 hundredths, 0.37. And then 47 hundredths. As you can see, I am using a text box to type in the numbers. You can use any color you want. I'm okay with any of them. And you're going to continue the pattern. Then you're going to look at the second row. Each row is different, so this does not continue. You're going to look here and find the pattern. 56 hundredths, 66 hundredths, 76 hundredths, and so on. You have to find the number that comes before 56 hundredths. Before 56 hundredths would be 46 hundredths. Down here, we're going to look at these two numbers. Here, I see a 1 that now changed to a 3. So I need to think what comes between 1 and 3. And I fill in that number. I also need to think what comes before 1 and then before 0. Here in the fourth row, I am looking at the 1 and I'm looking at the 6. So I am counting 103 and 12 hundredths. My next number would be 103 and 13 hundredths. And I would finish that pattern on both sides. And finally, I'm going to look here. I'm changing the tens spot from a 0 to a 1. So here, my next number would be 123 and 12 hundredths. The 12 stays the same behind the decimal in each answer. On this side, I need to think 103 minus 10. So 103 minus 10 equals 93 and 12 hundredths. And I'm going to go backwards again and again. We skipped the second slide. I felt it was a little too difficult for everyone at this point. And we went down to the third slide. Here, you're comparing with greater than, less than, or equal to the two numbers. So you have to look and find the difference. Here, I look at the 0 first, which is different than the 1. 1 is greater than 0, therefore 11 hundredths is greater than 1 hundredths. I'll do the second one with you. We have a 2 here and a 2 here. They are the same. In this case, we can ignore the 0. The 0 does not have any bearing on our decision. 2 is the same as 2. These numbers are equal. And then you must fill out the other 3. I also asked students to watch and Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is, again, in your Google Classroom. Under the classwork section, right here. Edpuzzle is a video with questions. Once you get to the question, the video will stop.
Hi,
The video will stop. And ask you a question. You must answer the question in order for the video to continue. If you have any questions, please send me a dojo or an email, and I'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.